Welcome back to our series on Microsoft Intune. This is part 4, where we dive deeper into advanced configurations for endpoint management. In this segment, we will focus on securing and managing your devices and applications using Intune's powerful configuration and protection features. Just a quick recap. So far, we've covered the basics of device enrollment, application deployment, and setting up initial compliance policies. Today, we are taking a leap into more advanced configurations, specifically focusing on configuration profiles, app protection, and conditional access. Let's start with device configuration profiles. These are essential for enforcing security settings and ensuring consistent configurations across all your managed devices. To create a new profile, navigate to the Devices section in Intune, choose Configuration Profiles, and select Create Profile. We will focus on Windows 10 and later devices today. Intune offers various templates for settings like device restrictions and endpoint protection. Security baselines are also available for quickly applying Microsoft-recommended security configurations. Next up is Application Management, specifically App Protection Policies, also known as Mobile Application Management, or MAM. MAM policies allow you to protect organizational data within a managed application, even on unmanaged or personal devices, by enforcing controls like data separation and restricting actions like copy and paste. Remember to target your configuration and protection policies correctly to the necessary user or device groups to ensure they are properly applied. Now let's look at Conditional Access, a critical component of the Zero Trust security model, which Intune integrates with seamlessly. Conditional access policies evaluate identity signals to determine if a user should be granted access to resources, often requiring device compliance managed by Intune. You can use CA to enforce rules such as requiring multi-factor authentication or ensuring a device meets Intune compliance standards before granting access to applications like Exchange Online. Effective management isn't complete without proper monitoring and reporting. Intune provides great tools for this. Review device compliance reports frequently to identify any devices that are falling out of compliance with your organizational policies, allowing for quick remediation. If a device fails to receive a configuration profile, Intune's reporting tools are essential for troubleshooting the assignment and deployment status. That brings us to the end of part 4. We covered some of the most critical security and management features within Microsoft Intune. We reviewed device configuration profiles, mobile application management policies, and how conditional access integrates with Intune for robust access control. Join us for part 5, where we will explore advanced deployment methods, including using PowerShell scripts and custom settings to extend Intune's capabilities.